Today we are going to learn the Bossy R. Say it, spell it and write it. When we are learning, we are going to spell it and we are going to write it. The more you write, the more you learn. The first one is AR. Say the name of the picture, then spell and write the missing Bossy R sound. When R comes after a vowel, so here R comes after A, right? So it's so bossy that it changes the vowel sound. The vowel doesn't say its normal sound. R controls it. That's why it's called Bossy R. Okay? Like here, the dog is barking. Bark. B-R-K. Bark. We are going to write it. Are you writing? Write it. Okay? This is a barn. B-R-N. Barn. Okay? Card. K-R-D. Card. Okay? This one. K-R-T. Cart. Now this one. D-R-T. Dart. Okay? Bark. Barn. Card. Cart. Dart. So here R comes after E vowel. Okay? So the sound is okay? B-A-K-R. Baker. Okay? Baker. Now Clerk. Clerk. Now Fawn. Now flower. Flower. Okay. Now jam. Okay. If you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and please follow and subscribe Deductive Homeschooling FB page. And if you want any kind of online session from us, do let us know. We read AR, then ER, now the turn is IR. So IR, UR and ER all sounds alike. Do you know that? So before that we read ER sound, that is and here also it sounds as IR sounds as different spellings but same sound. Okay, so we are going to read it. Say it. What is this? Bird. Spell it. B-R-D. Bird. Now write it. Now birthday. B-R-Day. Birthday. Okay. Now what is this? Say it. Dirt. D-R-T. Dirt. Now he became first. 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 Now say it. Girl. 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 Okay. Now we are going to read it and spell it and write OR. OR sounds as burn. Card. Now corn. Fork. Horn. As I said earlier, ER, IR and UR, they are having same sound, right? Different spellings but sound same. So here it is UR. R comes after vowel U and sound says okay, burn, burn, burn. Now burp, burp, burst, burst. Now l, curl, hot. For watching my little ones, do like, share and subscribe and keep following and subscribing Kidoctive Homeschooling.